Hello class. In the last class you have already learned about relation between multiplication and division form. Let us continue the chapter 6 division.
Now we are going to exercise 6.3. First main, group the following and write the division form for each. Observe here children. Here some eggs are there. First question, total eggs 16 is there. Total eggs 16 is there. Eggs in each group 4. Each group have 4 eggs. Number of groups is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of groups 4 is there. So, therefore, 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Now, we are going to second question. Total apples 30 is there. Observe here. 30 apples is there. Apples in each group 6 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Apples in each group 6 is there. So, we find out number of groups. How many groups are there? Observe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups is there. Now, write here 5. Therefore, 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. If we interchange the quotient and divisor, there will be coming dividend itself. 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. Now, third question. Total pots is equal to 9. How many pots are there? 9 pots is there. Pots in each group is 3. 1, 2, 3. Each group has 3 pots. Now we find out number of groups. 1, 2, 3. How many groups? 3 groups. So, write division form. Therefore, 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Now, fourth question. Total candles 40 is there. Observe here total 40 candles are there. Candles in each group has 5. Each group has 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we find out the number of groups. How many groups are here? Observe it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 groups is there. So, write 8. Now, write division form. Therefore, 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. Now, fifth question. Total tops 18 is there. Observe here. Total 18 tops. Tops in each group is 2. Is there? 1, 2. In each group has 2 tops. So we find out number of groups. How many groups are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 groups. Now write division form. Therefore 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Okay children, we are going to second main. Write the division form using the multiplication table. You already know the multiplication tables. So first question, 16 girls are there, 2 in each team. How many teams are there? Observe here. Here 16 girls are there. In each team 2 girls is there. So how many teams are there? We find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8 teams are there. So 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. This is division form. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Answer 8 teams. Here already written. Now we solve second question. 18 trees are there in 3 rows. Here 3 rows is there and 18 trees are there. So how many trees are there in each row? In each row, how many trees are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In each row, 6 trees are there. So, write here 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So, write 6 trees. We make a division here. 18 divided by 3. 3, 6 are 18. Subtract here. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now, third question. 36 toffees are there. 4 for each boy. How many boys are there? Here, 36 toffees is there. In each boy for 4 toffees. So, how many boys are there? Let us find out. First of all, we find the number of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 9 groups. So, write here 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9 boys. So write 9 boys. Write division form 36 divided by 4. 4 nines are 36. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So 9 boys are there. Now fourth question. 10 pieces of bread are there. 2 pieces in each sandwich. How many sandwiches can be prepared? Here 10 pieces of bread are there. In 2 pieces in each sandwich. Now we find out how many sandwiches can be prepared. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We prepared 5 sandwiches. See right here 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So 5 sandwiches. If we make division 10 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. Now subtract it. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 5 sandwiches can be prepared. Now fifth question. 64 soldiers are there. 8 in each row. How many rows are there? Here 64 soldiers are there. In each row 8 soldiers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 soldiers are in each row. Now we find out how many rows are there. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows are there. So write here division form. 64 divided by 8 is equal to 8. So 8 rows are there. Let us we see the 64 divided by 8. 8 8s are 64. Now subtract it. 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. So 8 rows are there.
Thank you, children.